Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, we will have a brief discussion about psychosocial development theory of Erik Erikson. This is second important topic under growth and development unit. This video is helpful for all government exam where child psychology is the subject. Let's start to achieve it. Theory of psychosocial development is connected from Erik Erikson's childhood. Erikson was born in Frankfurt, Germany on June 15, 1902. Theodor Hamburg is a stepfather of Erik Erikson. His biological father left his mother Carla Abrahamson. His mother raised him alone for the first 3 years of his life. Childhood and his earlier adulthood, he was Erik Hamburg. When he was 25, his friend Peter Bloss, a fellow artist and later psychoanalyst, suggested so he applied for a teaching position at an experimental school for American students run by Dorothy Burlingame, a friend of Anna Freud. Besides teaching art, he gathered a certificate in Montessori education and one from the Vienna Psychoanalytic Society. He was psychoanalyzed by Anna Freud herself and Sigmund Freud. They are belonging from psychoanalytic school. His writing in 1950 he wrote Childhood and Society, which contained summaries of his studies among the Native American analyzed by Maxim Gorky and Adolf Hitler, a discussion of the American personality and the basic outline of his version of Freud theory. Gandhian's Truth won him the Pulitzer Prize and the National Book Award. This theory, psychosocial development, is result of earlier life of Erik Erikson. On one place, his daughter wrote that her father's real psychoanalytic identity was not established until he replaced his stepfather's surname, Homburg, with a name of his own invention. He has given for him Erik Erikson name. According to this theory, human is social creature. How the society and culture is affecting on one's development of knowledge and understanding is called psychosocial development. In this theory, Erikson is talking about ego psychology. This concept is related from genetic science and clinical psychology. According to Erikson 1963, the developmental stage occurring throughout our life can be viewed as a series of 8 stages of psychosocial development. During each stages, the person experiences a psychosocial crisis. These stages are pairing of the most positive and most negative aspect of the crisis of the period. Although each crisis is never solved entire life, become increasingly complicated as we grow older. This theory is depending on ego and identity. Identity is achieved from religious, sexual, political, ethical, and occasional society. He is talking about 8 stages. If the child is getting support from society, he will develop positive aspect. And if the child is not developing and getting help from society, he will develop negative aspect. The solution of this negative aspect is these conflict can be changed in the culture from culture to society as well as from person to person. So society is helpful for a person to change negative aspect. He has described about 8 stages and the change in the personality of a human being. These 8 stages are trust versus mistrust stage, initiative versus guilt stage, anatomous versus shame and doubt stage, industrious versus inferiority stage, ego identity versus role confusion, generativity versus stagnation, intimacy versus role confusion, ego integrity versus despair. In all these stages, he is giving positive and negative also. How the child is developing negative aspect, and if the child is getting support, what kind of aspect he will develop at this stage. About this, he is giving clear picture. This theory is called largest theory in the field of development. First stage, trust versus mistrust. The age of this stage is 1.5 year from infant. In this stage, the infant looks what stability and consistency in life if he receives constant shelter and care, it will develop a sense of trust. If the child is not receiving the sense of trust, he will develop the fear. This stage is to develop virtue of hope. Second stage is autonomy versus shame. This is very crucial stage in the child's life because at that time the child is developing physical and intellectual skill. Erickson says that if a child is encouraged to develop their abilities on their own, then he stores a sense of independence and the child will develop virtue of will. If the child is criticized or controlled or not given the opportunity to develop the ability, they begin to feel guilty or shameful. This is 1.5 year to 3 years stage. At third stage, initiative versus guilty. In this period, the child used to begin to plan activities and also intimate in that activities with others. If they are given opportunity to initiate those activities, children develop a sense of initiation and feel secure to lead others and make decision. If the child is criticized, he will develop a sense of guilty. Success at this stage lead virtue of purpose. The age of this stage is 3 to 5 years. Fourth stage is industrious versus inferiority. At this stage, the child used to develop those values which are accepted by society. If the child is able to adjust with those values, able to cope up with norms of society, the child will feel confidence and industrious. If not, he will feel inferiority. At this stage, the child is used to develop virtue of competency. The age of this stage is 5 to 12 years. Fifth stage is ego identity versus role confusion. The age of this stage is 12 to 18 years. This is the stage of adolescence and physical development used to take place at this stage. As an adult, the child used to examine her or his identity and try to find out exactly who he is or who she is. At this stage, the child used to develop virtue of fidelity. Sixth stage, intimacy versus role confusion. The age of this stage is 18 to 40 years. Young adulthood person begin to share everything intimately with others. If the child able to develop commitment, safety and care, he will develop happy relationship. Developing happy relationship at this stage will lead to virtue of love. Next stage is generativity versus stagnation. This is seventh stage. The age of this stage is 40 to 65 years. This is middle adulthood and the person used to settle down with their family and development new relationship. Generativity refers to making your marks in the world in the return of raising our own family, being productive at involved in community and organization. If the person is fail, he will become stagnant and feel like he didn't produce anything and he didn't return anything to the society, and he'll feel disconnected from the society. Successful completion of the stage lead to virtue of care. Eighth stage is ego integrity versus despair. If the person has passed or crossed all the stages successfully, it will be satisfied at this stage. Success of this stage will lead to the virtue of wisdom. The age of this stage is 65 years till death. Major concept of this theory is phases of formation, social function pattern, psychosocial depression, ego identity. Thanks for watching my video. Please like and subscribe my channel.